Ingredients: 2 cups elbow macaroni or your preferred pasta shape, 4 cups shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 2 cups whole milk, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, or to taste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, or to taste, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, optional, for added flavor, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, for topping, optional. Instructions: cook the macaroni. Boil the macaroni according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. Make the cheese sauce. In a medium saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Stir in the flour and cook for about 1–2 minutes, stirring constantly, until it forms a paste, roux. Gradually whisk in the milk, and continue to whisk until the mixture thickens and becomes smooth. This will take about 5–7 minutes. Add the cheese. Reduce the heat to low, and gradually stir in the shredded cheddar cheese, a little at a time, until it's fully melted and the sauce is smooth. Stir in the salt, black pepper, and paprika if using. Adjust seasoning to taste. Combine the pasta and sauce. Add the cooked macaroni to the cheese sauce and stir until the pasta is evenly coated with the creamy cheese sauce. Optional breadcrumb topping. If you want a crispy breadcrumb topping, melt a little extra butter in a small pan and mix it with the breadcrumbs. Sprinkle the breadcrumb mixture evenly over the mac and cheese. Bake, optional. If you want a baked version, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Place the mac and cheese in an oven-proof dish and bake for about 20–25 minutes, or until it's bubbling and the top is golden brown. Serve. Let the mac and cheese cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your old-school mac and cheese. This classic mac and cheese recipe is creamy, cheesy, and perfect for a nostalgic comfort food meal. Feel free to customize it by adding ingredients like crispy bacon, diced tomatoes, or chopped green onions for a unique twist.